Kumusta? Magandang araw. Ako si Reymund. Hello everyone. Good day. I'm Reymund and welcome to my channel. Our lesson for today is how to say congratulations in Tagalog. Pagbati sa'yo, pagbati sa'yo, or pagbati sa iyo. Sa'yo is the contraction of sa iyo. Pagbati sa'yo. That means congratulations to you. Pagbati sa'yo. So this phrase is perfect when you are personally congratulating someone for their achievements. This phrase is perfect when you are personally congratulating someone for their achievements. This sounds very formal, which means it might be a bit weird to have it said in real-life casual conversations. So that's for pagbati sa'yo. Pagbati sa'yo, which means congratulations to you. You can also say congrats, congrats, or congratulations in English, congrats. This Filipino word is a transliteration for the casual word congrats and is perfect to use when speaking with family and friends. It can also be used with your colleagues, but if you plan to congratulate your boss or someone of authority, it would be better if you use the first greeting on the list instead. Congrats. Congrats. Pagpupugay. Pagpupugay. That means salute. Pagpupugay. This Tagalog word is also pretty formal and is mainly used for official greetings from the authorities or universities. It would be a great word to use when you are praising someone for their scholastic achievements or when someone wins a tournament. Pagpupugay. Pagpupugay. Pagpupugay sa'yo. Salute to you. Pagpupugay. Binabati kita. Binabati kita. That means I am congratulating you. Binabati kita. This Tagalog phrase is safe to use no matter what occasion or achievement it is. If you intend to greet as a group, you can change the word kita to kanamin to turn it into plural. Binabati kita. I am congratulating you. Binabati ka namin, we are congratulating you. Binabati kita, binabati ka namin. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati. That means happy wishes, maligayang bati. This greeting can be used in the first sentence and then followed by the reason why you are greeting. For instance, you want to praise someone for getting married and you can simply say, maligayang bati sa iyong kasal. Maligayang bati sa iyong kasal, which means happy wishes for your wedding. You can also say maligayang bati sa iyong pagtatapos to congratulate a fresh graduate. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Napakahusay mo talaga. Napakahusay mo talaga. That means you are really very good. Napakahusay mo talaga. Ang galing mo talaga. Ang galing mo talaga. That means you are really awesome. Ang galing mo talaga. Ang talino mo talaga. Ang talino mo talaga. That means you are really intelligent. Ang talino mo talaga. Mabuhay ka. Mabuhay ka. That means long live. Mabuhay ka. Ang talino mo talaga, mabuhay ka. Sana ako din. Sana ako din. I wish I am too. Sana ako din. Sana all. I wish all. Sana all. Sana all. That means I wish all or I wish everyone is. Sana all. Sana ako din. Sana all. That's all for our lesson, which is about how to say congratulations in Tagalog. If you learned something new, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.